So I want to talk a little bit about what makes Netmaker different from some of the other platforms out there. And it boils down to four things, which is ownership, flexibility, automation, and speed. There's definitely a lot of options out there in the virtual networking space, and we believe these are what largely differentiates us from those other options. So on the ownership side, we allow you to deploy on-prem, which gives you complete control of your data plane and your control plane, which is really fantastic for data privacy reasons. And beyond that, even if you're using our SaaS, we completely segment those environments. So you're getting your own server, your own database, and we also deploy dedicated routing endpoints that you can use that belong just to you. So on our on-prem version, you don't have to worry about data passing through third-party servers. And in the SaaS, even then, you're getting dedicated ownership. On the flexibility side, we believe we have one of the most flexible systems out there, including being able to deploy clients and integrate them into your network in three different ways. So we've got the net client, which is a background agent that gets live updates from the platform, completely peer-to-peer. We've got the desktop and mobile apps, which are meant for user access, integrates with OAuth with a nice user interface. And we've also got the native WireGuard integration, so you can generate WireGuard config files and customize those and put them on basically any device that supports WireGuard. Along with that, we support multiple topologies, including peer-to-peer, hub and spoke networks, site-to-site. So really, you can mix and match those and design your network and your traffic flow exactly the way you want. And last beyond that is just the ability to create multiple networks inside of Netmaker, giving you a form of multi-tenancy and an ability to just handle multiple use cases in different networks. On the automation side, we've made it very easy to install the server with a one-line installation, as well as the client. And also the entire platform is fully automatable over API. So anything you can do in the UI, you can do over API and also with our companion CLI tool, which a lot of our users have used to integrate with their own platforms. So they don't even have to log into Netmaker to update their networks the way they want. And then the last is if you are using the UI, there's just an extremely low level of adjustments you're able to make far beyond what a lot of other platforms offer, where you're able to change exactly what ports clients are using to communicate, what MTU settings they have, whether endpoints update statically or dynamically. It's just very low level and allows you to design your networks exactly the way you want. And the last is just speed. So by default, you get peer-to-peer connections, which are going to be faster. We support kernel WireGuard, which is really the fastest encryption protocol you're going to get. And then the last is we allow you to deploy relays that could be co-located with where your devices are. So as opposed to some other platforms where if peer-to-peer traffic isn't working, it might route through an endpoint like all the way across the country or further. With ours, you can deploy a relay, in your data center right outside it and get a faster speed.